Are you ready to unlock the full potential of Salesforce for your business? In today's competitive landscape, customization is key to driving success with Salesforce. There are several ways Salesforce customization can enhance your business. It helps you achieve increased efficiency, get tailored solutions, better customer insights, and lastly, flexibility and scalability. Some of the common challenges in CRM implementation include implementation complexities, lack of integral expertise, data migration challenges, user adoption issues, and customization requirements. Here's how you can implement Salesforce customization. Start by assessing your needs. Second, understand Salesforce capabilities. Third, plan your customization strategy. Next is implementation and iteration. Make to get expertise of Salesforce support and maintenance services. Don't leave Salesforce customization to chance. Embrace it with Value Coder's expert Salesforce consultants.